Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? Los saludo con mucho afecto, les habla Javier Ortega, deseando que se encuentren muy bien. La música continúa, aquí está algo del año 74 de Neil Sedaka, Laughter in the Rain.
Strolling along country roads with my baby, it started to rain, it's begin to pour. Without an umbrella, we're soaked to the skin. I feel a shiver under my spine. I feel a war of a hand in mine. Ooh, I hear laughter in the rain, walking hand in hand with the one I love. Ooh, how I love the rainy days and the happy way I feel inside. After a while we run under a tree. I tend to her and she kisses me. There with the beat of the rain on the leaves, softly she breathes and I close my eyes, sharing along the stormy skies. Ooh, I hear laughter in the rain, walking hand in hand with the one I love. Ooh, how I love the rainy days and the happy way I feel inside. I feel the water of her hand in mine. Ooh, I hear laughter in the rain, walking hand in hand with the one I love. Ooh, how I love the rainy days and the happy way I feel inside. Ooh, I hear laughter in the rain, walking hand in hand with the one I love. Ooh, how I love the rainy days and the happy way I feel inside. Feeling happy inside. Feeling happy inside.